Okay, we're going to look at a balance drill going from static to dynamic. So start just transferring your weight into a single leg stand balance. Then we're going to add some arm drivers in our sagittal plane. So we start off with a static body, just moving the arms. Then we can take it into a dynamic drill. The hips want to move in the same direction as the arms. We're then going to come into our frontal plane. Keep the arms in front of the body a little bit. Then we're going to bring the hips into play again. So really let the hips shift from one side to the other. And if we overbalance, it's fine. Because remember, balance is about moving your center of mass and coming back again. Then our last version, we have transverse. Just moving the arms across and then bringing the body in. The knee will be flexed. What we want to notice with all of these as well is that we have really good movement in the foot. So the foot is opening and lifting again. So we have our pronation and supination happening in the foot. We then just repeat on the other side. This is our balance drill driven from the top down. I hope you enjoy. So we're going to look now at our balance drill driven from the bottom down, and this is with a foot tap matrix. We're just going to do our basic level. So again, looking at forward to back first of all, tap backwards and then forwards. Again, the pelvis is going to travel with the leg. You can regress this and just come in one direction if you want to. Then we're going to come to the side. So again, pelvis tilts as we tap back and forth, and we want to see that foot moving into our pronation and supination. Our final direction is rotation. So we're opening around on the diagonal. Front diagonal, back diagonal. Pelvis will move with the leg, and we want to have the foot moving as well. So it's a full lower limb integration. We're coming out and back home again. This balance drill is taken from the Gray Institute, so if you want any information there, you can always log on to their website. Thanks.